Hello, thank you for registering for September Adult Activity Kit. If you have not yet registered for this month's craft kit, visit bellevillelibrary.ca. In this video, we will be making a lavender sachet. In your craft kit, you will find 2 fabric hearts, 1 envelope of dried lavender, and 1 piece of scrap paper. You'll use this to make a funnel. You will also need a needle and thread. To get started, lay the 2 fabric hearts together with the design facing out and begin to sew around the perimeter of the shape. Be sure to keep your stitches close together and about 1/4 centimeter in from the edge of the heart. This will ensure the lavender does not fall out. Go slowly and be mindful as you make each stitch. There's no rush. Stitch all the way around the heart until there's about 2 centimeters remaining open. Don't tie off the thread just yet. Loosely roll the scrap paper into a funnel. You'll have to open up your lavender envelope. Insert the narrow end of the funnel into the opening of the heart and slowly pour the lavender into the funnel and into the heart. This part can be tricky. Go slowly and only transfer a few lavender buds at a time. You will have quite a bit of lavender left over. When your heart is full, stitch the rest of the perimeter to close the sachet. Tuck your lavender sachet into your pillowcase or dresser drawer, or keep it in your car, by your work area, or any space where you could use a soothing scent.